In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transition in Lightworks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a transition at the very beginning of a clip and apply it with confidence, using the built-in options Lightworks provides. Start by opening Lightworks and heading into your project's editing panel. This is where your clips appear on the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to work with is visible and that you can clearly see its very first frame on the left edge. If needed, zoom the timeline so that the start of the clip is easy to target. The clearer the view, the easier the next step will be. Move your mouse to the very beginning of the clip on the timeline. As you hover right over the first frame boundary, look for this small white bracket to appear. That white bracket is your visual cue that Lightworks has detected the clip edge and is ready for edge-specific actions. If it doesn't appear right away, adjust your zoom or nudge the pointer slightly until the bracket shows. With the white bracket visible, right-click to open the context menu. From this menu, choose Transition. This brings up a selection of transition types you can apply. You'll typically see options like dissolves, fades, and various wipes, each creating a different visual feel. Pick the transition that suits your edit. For clips that start from black, a dissolve or fade often works beautifully as a gentle introduction. After selecting the transition, confirm by clicking Apply. Lightworks will place the effect right at the beginning of your clip. If a small settings panel is available, you can adjust the duration before applying for a smoother or snappier look. A shorter duration gives a quick, crisp effect, while a slightly longer duration creates a more gradual blend. Choose what best fits the mood of your project. Now preview your timeline to see how it looks in motion. If the transition feels too fast or too slow, simply return to the same spot, open the transition controls again, and tweak the duration or swap to a different style. If the transition option wasn't available when you right-clicked, make sure your pointer is exactly on that white bracket at the clip start, and that you're in the editing panel on the correct track. And that's it. You've gone to Lightworks, placed your cursor at the start of the clip until the white bracket appeared, right-clicked to choose transition, selected your preferred style, and clicked Apply. When you're happy with the result, continue editing or save your project so your changes are preserved.